Welcome to iPundit Solutions. Today, we will be demonstrating the piping assembly placement utility in Smart 3D. This utility is designed to efficiently place predefined piping assemblies within the Smart 3D model. The process begins by navigating to the Tools menu and opening Custom Commands. In the Custom Commands dialog box, select the piping assembly placement utility and click on the Run option. This will open the utility interface on the screen. The utility form header displays important details such as the utility version and release date. Next, select the required assembly from the available list based on your project requirements. A preview window is provided, allowing the user to zoom in, zoom out, and review the assembly before placement. Once the selection is confirmed, click on the Select Position option. Then, select the desired location in the model where the assembly will be placed. After selecting the placement point, the system will display the available branch sizes. Select the appropriate branch size as per your design requirements. Once all inputs are finalized, click on the Place Assembly option to insert the piping assembly into the model. A confirmation message will appear. Click OK to continue. Finally, verify the placed assembly in the Smart 3D Workspace Explorer to ensure that all components have been created and positioned correctly. As demonstrated, the piping assembly placement utility provides a simple and efficient way to place piping assemblies within Smart 3D. Thank you for watching. For more utilities like this, stay tuned to the iPundit Solutions channel.